Hi kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn alphabets. Okay, let's introduce some color pencils. These are all the color pencils: yellow color, light green color, violet color, black color, green color, blue color, ash color, pink color, red color, orange color, brown color, sky blue color. Okay, let's draw the capital alphabets. Yellow color, A for apple. Brown color, B for ball. Light green color, C for cat. Violet color, D for dog. Black color, E for elephant. Light green color, F for fish. Thick blue color, G for gun. Pink color, H for hen. Sky blue color, I for ink. Ash color, J for jug. Orange color, K for kite. Red color, L for lion. Blue color, M for monkey. Ash color, N for nest. Brown color, O for ox. Green color, P for pen. Pink color, Q for queen. Sky blue color, R for rose. Black color, S for sun. Red color, T for tomato. Yellow color, U for umbrella. Green color, V for van. Violet color, W for wonder. Red color, X for Xerox. Orange color, Y for yellow. Black color, Z for zebra. Okay, let's learn. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Okay, bye kids.